Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll be recommending some Asian hair products. A little bit of a background of my hair. So my hair, I have a little bit of a hair eczema. So obviously it will fall under like dry skin. So obviously I have scalp issue. My hair is a little bit dry. And this is my hair after having like keratin treatment. So every few months, I'll go get like this keratin straightening done because my original hair is very frizzy, it's very wavy, and it's very dry. And every time I go get my keratin done, my hairstylist always recommend to maintain the moisture of my hair. First of all, I'm sure you guys know this is the Honey shampoo. I decided to try the Sakura collection this time because the last few ones that I've tried and I've already finished, including the refill, is I guess the original one, and I bought all of them in Japan and they were so cheap in Japan, guys. I would recommend for you guys to stock up if you guys go and get the refill, like get a couple bottle because they're not light at all. So get one shampoo, get one conditioner, and the rest you can just get the refill, which is so much lighter to bring home. So I finished them, and this time I got the Sakura version, and I feel like the Sakura one gives the same effect, like gives you that really nice shiny hair effect when you finish. It feels really soft, it just feels really nice. And this Sakura one, I feel like the scent is way more stronger compared to the original one, and I feel like it doesn't really smell like Sakura, to be honest. Like it smells more like rosy smell, which is nice. Like it's very strong scented, so it depends what you guys look for, but love it. My hair is damp. I will go on to this I don't know, you call it UNOVE. They're really popular now with, you know, their damage treatment shampoo, and this one is the silk oil essence. And what I did was I just use a little bit, like a couple drop, and just rub it on my hand and just rub it onto the bottom of my hair first and then the rest, and it just helps to just soak in the oil into my hair. And this was recommended to use it while it's damp. This one I think contains like argan oil as well, which I absolutely love for hair, and also the Honey shampoo also have argan oil as well. So this one says it helps to nourish rough and dry hair and create soft and shiny hair without feeling sticky. Not sure about the without sticky part because I feel like when I was applying, it does feel sticky and oily on the hand. It doesn't feel sticky or oily on the hair, which is great. On top of that, what I did was I also spray this GROWUS Damage Therapy No Wash Treatment on top of the silk essence while my hair is damp. And oh my gosh, guys, I don't know if you guys can see. Look how buzzy the liquid is. It's like a milky foam. It's like floating around, which looks awesome. So what I do is there's two options that you can do with this. You can either spray on your hair, or you can spray on your hand, spray around like the essence and dab it. But because I always use the oil essence on the hair, I just spray this one, which I feel is great, and I love the misty scent of it. Now I just want to read a few things of this because I feel like this really helps with like the damage or like the split end of the hair, or like helps to like keep intact of the essence as well. I don't know what it is, but I really like this one a lot. And so this is great for those who have damaged hair because it contains treatment care damaged cuticles that spray onto your hair and gives you like this pearly aurora shine to the dull hair, which I completely agree. Apparently it has a scent to it, and it does, but because I use like a combination of like the essence and other things as well, I feel like my hair is already quite scented, but it has like this really nice rose scent to it. Now this one is for my scalp. I've heard of the brand AROMATICA before, but I decided to try the Rosemary Root Enhancer, and this one is to put on top of like your roots as close as you can to your scalp. So it's like a spray form, and just be careful when you apply. And what I like to do is when I spray, if I feel like I spray too much, I just use my finger and dab it onto my root, and this helps to just strengthen my hair. And so, you know, maybe it just helps to prevent the split end a bit more, but I feel like it's really nice on my hair, and it's very cooling as well on my scalp, and it doesn't really affect my hair eczema or like the dandruff or the dry skin, which I totally recommend if you guys are wanting to like strengthening your roots. So yeah, that's what I do, and I just use a little bit. I don't go all the way to the back. I just use like the obvious the obvious area, you know. This one, I finished my gold version and I didn't realize that they have like the pink version here. So this is the pink color one and it's scented as well. This is the Tsubaki Premium Repair Mask, which to be honest, I prefer this over the Phenol hair mask. I just feel like it's just easier to use, and the gold one lasted me for ages, so I know this pink one will last me for ages too. And essentially what you do is you just put it in the shower, do your shampoo, skip the conditioner, and then apply like a grape, like a thumb size of this hair mask, spread it onto your hair, and then just leave it for like few seconds and wash it off. You only just need a few seconds, you don't need to leave it for like minutes, and it gives you like the shiniest and smoothest feeling ever for the next few days, and then you use it again. So I use this like twice a week or whenever I have time, but every time I use it, I always love the finish of it. I just love how it feels on my hair. Like I don't need to wait for my hair to dry up to feel how nice it feels on the hair. This is a hair fixer, so this is by the brand SHOBIDO, and it's really funny because it's a Japanese product but it's made in Taiwan. So anywho, so it just comes in like a, you know, looks like a mascara form, and you just go like this just to, you know, get rid of all that frizziness. And I like using this when I have like my ponytail done. As you can see, it already flattened my hair, so I mainly use it more for like when I tie my hair up and I want some of like the hair that sticks out to just stay intact. I will use this one, and it's really handy to just bring it for like in your handbag as well. If one hair stick out, just apply it and it doesn't leave any like excess mark, which is great. So I hope you guys find this video helpful. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like in this video I also show you guys the step-by-step of my hair care routine as well when I'm really bothered. Okay guys, this is not something I do on a daily basis. I wash my hair probably like only 2 or 3 times a week because I like to make my hair a little bit more greasy because of my eczema, dry skin. I don't believe in washing my hair every single day because I feel like it just makes it worse. So when I do have the time, especially with the newborn now, this is what I will do. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know your must-have for your hair products as well, especially if you guys have dry hair like me. I would love to hear, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.